Hello and welcome to another episode of Build, Fix, Eat. This is part 2 of the BBQ Smoker trailer. Today we're going to be putting together this cook chamber, throwing it on the trailer. Alright, let's get at it. Alright, so we're going to get going with fitting up the cook chamber. This is a little something I've been doing a little different. I've been making myself little spacers ahead of time, just with some 1/16 TIG wire. It takes a minute, but it actually saves me a ton of time when I'm fitting. That's it. Gives me a perfect gap every time. Now we're going to tack it up and fit as we go. You got to fit a little bit, like you can see here. I got a little deflection there. We'll push that down. Alright, I got some good tacks in it, so I'm going to lay it down while everything's flat. Okay, so everything's welded out. The only thing left is this seam on either side. So I'm going to cut these tacks and I'm going to break it in half. And then I'll fit the bottom half and then I'll fill the top half on. We're just fitting up the grill grates now. It'll be a little easier when it's inside. Okay, now we're going to fit up the support for the deflector plate essentially. So this is going to be a reverse flow. So there's going to be a plate along here, and this is what's going to support those plates. Alright, we're going to put the cap on this side. We're going to do it a little different. I have an idea for the exhaust stack and you'll see how that comes out. I'm just going to throw a laser bar in here to make my life easier. Alright, well, it's mostly welded out. I'm going to blend all my welds, so I'm going to get going on that. It's going to take a while. Well, that's it for this episode. We got the cook chamber on, almost all welded out. Welds all ground, nice and flush, smooth. So next we'll jump over to the firebox and then start working on the stacks and the doors and the grates. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.